Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add money to Venmo. So first, if you're looking for an inside interface or inside ad tutorial, this is not the video for you. I cannot access Venmo at the moment because I'm outside the US. So for the rest, how to add money to Venmo. So what you should do is connect bank account to your Venmo account so you can add money to it. Basically, of course, you can add money to your Venmo balance directly within the Venmo app. Follow these steps to initiate to add money. You can click on the Me tab, you'll find it at the bottom right corner. Then click on Add Money. Of course, you'll have to select from bank or debit card. If you still don't have any bank or debit card related or linked to your Venmo, you'll have to do so. So, of course, here they'll tell you just to enter the amount and choose the payment method that you want to use. And if you want to link your credit card or bank account, I already made a video about it, so you can go and check it out. And if you already have it, all you need to do, just choose or enter the amount and choose what payment method you want to use. Then click on Add. Once the transfer is initiated, you cannot cancel it. Here are some few things to keep in mind. You don't need to have money in your Venmo account to make payments to other Venmo users. You can fund payment to other Venmo users using linked payments method like a debit card or a card or a bank account. And if you change your mind after initiating a transfer to a Venmo balance, you can transfer it back to your bank once it is completed. And if your transfer, of course, your Venmo balance fail, you'll be notified via email and the funds will not be moved from your bank to your Venmo balance. And you can check the status of your transfer on the Venmo app or in your personal transaction feed in the Me tab again. You can find it there. So if you send money, it can be instant and they will cut from you like 10% fees, but it will be capped at $10. So if you send more than $1,000, they will not cut from the fees more than $10. Or if you want it to be free, you can wait from 1 to 3 business days to send the money or to make a transaction. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.